Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, oscillators group to the downside. We are also in an area of potential support. If you just look to the left, and you need to just add this level at the bottom here. So that's kind of we haven't tagged it yet, and you can see every time we've got down there, something's happened. We kind of bought into it. So at the moment, this is not an area to be short. I definitely don't want to be short down here on the 8 hour. So you need to get down to the lower time frames to see what's going on, which we'll do now. But this is my line in the sand. It's 3995 or 3100. That's kind of the area that we need to really pay attention to. If we look at the 3 hour, you'll see a crossover, and we are pointing to the upside here. So again, not an area you want to be short down here. This big engulfing bar, one of two things. It's either sort of either buyers coming in off the structure that's down here, or it is just profit taking from the shorts at the end of the week. So I'm leaning towards profit taking with the shorts. Don't think people are holding positions over the weekend. Looking at the 1 hour, you can see we've got a grouping and a potential crossover here. So this crossover could be not that far apart, but it is apart. So it's not together like that. So that could happen, or it could move up to get us a grouping up here. We don't have structure that we've bounced off at the moment. So what we're looking for is structure. And this zone here is what we're looking for. So we are looking for price to bounce off 3100 to 31085. Yeah, so it's a 100 pip range for us. If we get down to the the 15 minute, you'll see do have a bit of a crossover. Oscillators group to downsides. I suspect there's another leg up at the moment, but nevertheless, I definitely wouldn't be trading to the upside, not until we've got a proper crossover of all the moving averages on the 15-minute, and we've tested structure. So for me at the moment, I have 3 areas of interest, and I just want to fine-tune these for us. Just give me a sec. And there's another one there. Okay, so those are the areas of interest. So the first one is going to be a rejection of 30,900, 30900 area. That's the first area. Second one is 3970, and then you have 31026 and 31085. So those are the areas that I want to be watching for a shorting opportunity, and we are trading off the hour on this. As you can see, there's my oscillators starting to get into a situation where you should see something happen. Also potential diversions brewing here. There's a high, lower low, higher low. That's continuation, and you're looking for a continuation to the downside. Now the big question is, what are we looking for? This makes the most logic. 30,400. That is the downside target for me at the moment. Okay, so you can see lots has been going on in this area. If you look at the 8 hour, lots of buyers came into this zone, and now we're back in there. So are we going to get sellers there, or are we going to get buyers? So that's what you need to be paying very close attention to. Your 15-minute could get support here on the 15-minute and then start rallying, or alternatively it's a rejection. We're looking for the rejections. If a rejection doesn't happen, then it's a case of sit and wait, because then there's obviously trying to build structure in this zone again, and that structure is going to be on an 8 hour time frame. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Definitely looking to short, but looking to be short higher up for another leg down, and ultimately need to look for 30,400 at the moment. That's kind of the goal that I have right now. Okay, that's kind of it for me. Nothing really else to talk about. unless we do start breaking above this the range height here from late last week. So if we start breaking up above 31,300, then shorts are off. Then we need to start looking for structure to the upside. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.